How did they taste?
It tastes even better than last time. I hope it works.
It's gonna work even faster this time because the berries were fresh.
Where's Dexter? I can't even see.
I'm here, Chloe. Thanks for the invite.
No problem, Dexter. No problem.
Shouldn't you be worrying about Cameron? Don't you think, Chloe?
Raven, don't talk to me. We're not even cool.
Chloe, don't do anything stupid.
Cameron, oh my god, stop being so insecure.
So you the one who blinded my friend?
Yes, and if I were you, I would watch out before you end up blind next to her.
I'm not Chloe. I don't need sight to put them hands to you. It'll make it even worse.
So you think throwing threats are gonna stop me from doing what I do? I don't need a mirror. I just use it because those other girls are weak.
Chloe isn't weak. She trying to change. That's why she came on the show. You gonna make her snap and you gonna make me snap too, and that's not what you wanna see. We best friends for a reason.
So what are you gonna do, Mrs. Chloe's best friend?
Take your stuff up out of the room so I can bring my friend back in her bed.
Oh, sorry, I can't do that.
Chloe, is the cupcake working yet?
It's working a little. I'm saying a little bit. I need it back right now, though.
You'll get it back. Just be patient.
Can somebody go check on Sasha because I want to make sure that Witch isn't doing anything to her.
I'll go get her.
Oh, you about to find out right now.
Hey, ladies. Did I interrupt anything?
Actually, yes, I was just about to put this Tai Chi to her. You don't want to play with Apple like that. Don't let the white hair fool you.
Come on, Sash. The girls are asking about you. We'll get this taken care of. We don't want you to get kicked off because you're not even part of the Bad Ghouls Clubhouse.
You lucky he just came and got me. You better watch yourself, Mrs. White. I'm here as a guest, and I will be sleeping in this room tonight. So I give you time to pack up. Deuces.
I think I went upstairs just in time.
You surely did, but I know I said what I had to say, so we good.
Why don't we just take a ride, and let everything cool off for a little while?
I can't even see. How am I supposed to make y'all a ride and I can't tell you where to go?
Chloe, we were here for almost a week. We got it, okay? Just relax. So where are we going?
Let's go out to eat. I haven't had any food since we got off the plane, and that was 4 hours ago.
Just make sure we don't go to Chipotle.
Hang on, Dex. Let's go.
Can't take it. I don't want them to even be in the house, breathing the same air as me. Oh my god, who dragged in the two-faced cat?
I came to help you ghouls out.
Torlight, you betrayed us. We heard you talking to Apple before she got here.
Yes, I heard you too.
We don't need you, Torlight. What did Apple kick you out of her crew?
No, that's not what happened. I was playing it smart, so I got information that would be helpful for you ghouls.
I think you're lying. I think you're just trying to figure out a way for you to be okay.
Either way, I can help you all get her out of that room.
Torlight, we're good. We'll figure this out on our own. No, Torlight. Actually, we could use your help. All we need you to do us is one favor.
Ginger, what are you talking about? We don't need her. We don't need Torlight. She's a two-timing, backstabbing cat.
Maybe she wants to redeem herself. All we need you to do, Torlight, is one thing.
What's that?
Get Zaki for us. That's all we need.
Meow.
I can do that, but under one condition. Y'all have to stop trying to get me out of the house. I overheard y'all talking about getting rid of me. I may be the odd cat out, but I'm on the show for a reason. Deal.
Ginger, are you crazy? What's wrong with you? She's not to be trusted.
She knows better. After that neck brace, she'll never try me like that again. And plus, we don't need Toralei. We just need little Zaki.